All right, guys. I think it's time to get the pumpkin seeds. I hope there's a ton of them. So let's go check it out. I got these two huge knives. Here, should I try to juggle them? There we go. I didn't even stab myself. Let's see, how is she doing? It got really cold the other night. Oh yeah, it got frostbit. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Yeah, so this is all, like this dark area is where it was frostbit. Wow, it's pretty hard still though. Wow, it's really bright up here. Am I even recording? Yeah. Okay, let's look at the back here. Oh yeah, this is the face. Hey, he still looks pretty good. He's just kind of like changing color and okay, well, let me get you guys set up, and I just realized I don't have nothing to put the seeds in, but I hope there's a lot of seeds, because actually some giant pumpkins will have no seeds. They can have between 0 and like 700. So I am crossing my fingers for 500, please. Okay, I put you guys kind of up high looking down. Is that good? Okay, so let's see how easy this is going to be. I have a feeling the serrated knife might be the best. I just kind of think I'm just going to cut the whole top of the pumpkin off. Oh yeah, that's easy so far. Honestly, I don't think this pumpkin is as thick as like some giants are. Oh, come on, turn direction. Okay, I'm just going to try to flip the whole top off. I don't know. I might not be able to do that very easily, though. Oh, it's thicker over here. Holy cow. That's getting hard. Okay, we're coming around. This is thinner, you can tell. And it's real easy right here. How am I moving this? This thing's 650 pounds. I feel strong, but it must be just rocking easily. Okay, I can't quite get the top to budge off. I wish I wanted to. Oh, I did it. Look at. Whoa. I can see a few seeds. Holy cow, that's heavy. Can you guys see? All right, I can see a few seeds. They look big. Okay, let me get to flop this off. Here we go. Careful. Oh, don't roll away. Hey! Oh, it's kind of weird. Like, it's hard to... Let me show you guys. It's hard to see in there. It's hard to see how many seeds are in it, I guess is what I'm saying. There's people driving by looking at me weird. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like. See, look, it was really pretty thin through here, but pretty thick. Look at how thick it was there. Pretty good. I'll have to flip that over because there might be seeds in there. So let me start. I'll put you guys back in the tripod here. I can always edit this down. People are looking at me weird. That's good. Okay, let me quick flip over this big piece if I can. See how many seeds are in it. Holy cow, that's heavy. Oh, good. Wow, these are really big seeds, guys. Wow, what the? These are really big, even for giant pumpkin seeds. Here, let me show you. They'll probably shrink a little when they dry out, but these even seem a little bigger than normal. And that doesn't mean it's going to grow bigger pumpkins, but it's always kind of cool. They'll probably shrink a little bit, but these are actually pretty big seeds for any giant pumpkin. Okay, I'm going to start picking them out because, see, they're all attached. Oh, yeah, look. See this weird mass of strands? See, look at all the seeds hanging from there. So that's how they form, I guess. All right, I'm gonna get all these seeds out. Yeah, there's some big ones. All right, I'm gonna get all these seeds out and I'll pause you guys and I'll see how many there are. Ooh, that's cold in there. And there we go. The pumpkin is gone. And all we have left is the seeds. Oh goodness, I'm breathing heavy though. Luckily I have a woods right here because I got a slope right down there. I just threw the pumpkin down there. Piece at a time. Hopefully the deer find it because deer love them. So hopefully some animals will make use of it. Otherwise the worms will love it. Okay, let's go start washing these off and I'll show you how I do that and lay them out to dry. Okay, let's see, I might have to get a bigger screen. Let's see, so we want to wash all this slime off them. I want to just show you guys one thing. Look, oh, did it come out of this one? Yeah, look, one of them sprouted. So see, that just proves, even though these have white tips on them, that's just a visual thing. Yep, because look, the tops of the leaf are fine. But yeah, only one sprouted, luckily. Sometimes if people leave them in too long, they'll all sprout. And then they're ruined. Unless we plant this and keep it alive all winter. Wouldn't that be funny? Oh, don't test me. Don't even think about it. Or I'm going to do it. So we're going to try to get all the slime coating off of these and clean them completely clean. Might take a while. Whoops. I might get a bigger screen. Yeah, I'm already losing them. Okay, I'm going to get them all washed up. Yay, look at that. Okay, we got some pretty nice, I mean, they're pretty clean. I might spray them a little bit more. Look at how big some of these are. Or all of them are. Looks like maybe 300. I guess I'm going to spray them a little more. And then basically, I'm just going to set them out on a screen. I'm going to set them out on a screen, just single layer. Actually, yeah, kind of like a screen like this or something, you know, like a... I'll probably put them on a window screen. But make sure to set them where no mice are going to get them. One time I had some precious long gourd seeds from my personal best long gourd. It was like 137 inches. I set them on a screen in a closet in my room. I woke up the next day and went into the closet. Every single one of them was gone. A mouse just hoarded them. It carried them away, one or two or whatever at a time, and like put them in the walls of my house. It was stupid. They were just all gone. I was so salty. So set them where the mice will not get them. If you have mice anyway. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll show you how I spread them out on the screen, I guess. All right, yeah, there we go. So I just have a big old window screen, and I just have them kind of laid out in a single layer. And if anybody wants to count them and pause the screen and count them, they can let me know in the comments. Just kidding. Here, Kitty, do you want to help me? The cat's coming. Okay, and now I'm going to set these somewhere. I'm going to set them up high up on my ceiling, actually. I have a pull-up bar. Hi, Kitty. I have a pull-up bar that I never use. I mean, not today. And I can set this whole screen on top of that, and it'll be up in the nice warm air up by the ceiling, and the mice cannot get it. Okay, guys. What do you think there, Kitty? You going to become a pumpkin grower? Okay. All right. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.